Welcome aboard, guys. My name's Adrian, I'll be your pilot. You can see there's a little camera at the front here, so you can say good day if you like. Ready to go? Okay, let's do it.
Baba.
Guys comfortable?
Yep.
Cool. Head out over the water here. As we do, you can see some of the apostles out to the left there, and also a couple on the right.
Baba.
The apostles go back behind us from this point here, so we'll have another good look at those on the return trip. I'll tell you a little bit about them then. These are the sisters, the two small ones there, and you got the salt and pepper shaker. The long skinny one in the corner is the raceback. The small island coming up here is called Baker's Oven. Gets its name from the shape of the cave that goes right through the centre. And the big tall one up near Port Campbell there is the Sentinel, which is the tallest feature on the coast, about 70 metres high. Muttonbird Island here, a lot of people say that one looks a bit like a seahorse or question mark. And there's a beach through the gap there called Lockhart Gorge. It's a really nice walk if you guys get the opportunity at all. And then all the apostles out the front here. Originally known as the piglets or sound piglets. Name was changed to the apostles in the late 1950s, simply to bring more people to the area. Pile of rocks there is the apostle that fell down in 2005. Alright, so make sure your cameras are ready to go, guys, as we cross over the coast here. It's a very nice photo opportunity on the left. All the fossils nicely lined up there. Alright guys, so just coming into land, quick reminder to keep those seatbelts on and to run the ground. And please don't touch the doors, okay? One of the ground staff will come and open them for you. Hope you enjoyed that.
Yep. Yeah.
Alright, so when you're ready guys, you pop those seatbelts off. While you do that, I'll flick this camera over for you so you can say goodbye. And you enjoy the rest of your travels. Thank you very much.